What is happening in our basement? Okay, we're back in the kitchen where we had the issues with the sagging floor. We've completely exposed the wall, so we're able to jack it back up. We also found a ramp from the hallway. So what we thought was a major sag is actually a step down. And we figured out what the main problem is. Trey went ahead and removed all the little beadboard ceiling that was down here so we could expose what was going on. And when we did, we found that they cut out of their double support beam that runs the length of the whole entire house. They cut a nice little pathway for their heating vent. Okay, today we are going to be jacking up the wall floor that's sagging upstairs. I went to do the lumber run and we really lucked out because we found the bigger boards that we need in a crawl space underneath our deck. So that saved us a little bit of money. And all we have to do is buy some 2x4s. The big boards are going to act as a new header. We're removing the ductwork that they ran through here because we have to move the heater, but they're going to build a new header and a new wall to support the floor. Alright, so they actually had their vent ran all the way underneath of the kitchen cabinets. So we're going to have to move where the vent comes out to the other side of the room as well. Okay, we are putting together the two boards we found. We just angle the screws so it really holds them together. We got half the supplies we needed from a crawl space under our porch. That probably saved us a couple $100. We were able to get both of our big beam and a 4x4 post from under the porch. The next thing we did was use the 2x4s, screw them together to make as if they were a 4x4 post now.
huge voices jacking up my house. Just I had to go one more. I had to go one more. Yeah, bad day. This was.
People imagine.
Hold on. Yep.
Too far. Can you cut that a little bit? Let's cut that a little bit. I got this.
Ben the stud. Right here, I just cut it. I cut an inch off of it, that was it.
Absolutely. Not yet. Another 2 inches. Oh, I got to clean in the house now, buddy.
Okay, today we are dealing with the sagging floor. We got the level upstairs. Down here. We got the jack. The beam. Woo!
The bubble's level now.
Yeah, you're level, get level.
I'm level.
Okay. What do you like, man?
It looks great.
We are making major progress, but the biggest progress of everything has been no more sagging floor.